welcome back to my channel. Today I will be planning the week of November 25 to December 1st. Can't believe December is getting so close. This is my Erin Condren. I use it as a memory planner, and the kit that I just showed you is a kit from my shop. Sadly it is discontinued already, but I saved mine for the week of Thanksgiving. The kit's names was Count Your Blessings, and I think it turned out adorable. I have the kits already in my shop for Christmas season, so if you would like to get a kit for Christmas, the name is Sugar Plum Ballet, and it's the Nutcracker theme. It turns out so adorable. Cannot wait to use it. But I have the link of my shop down below, as well as a 25% coupon for all of my YouTuber friends that you can use anytime you want. So yeah, I will be putting all of the headers and full boxes. If you are just stopping by for the first time, hi and welcome. I hope you consider to subscribe. My name is Sannia. I'm the owner of the sticker shop Little Annabelle's Plans. It is a hand-drawn sticker shop. All of the characters, the girls, are made by myself, and the bears are made by my husband. This kit, it turns out so cute, and I was so excited because that box that I'm just putting right now, all the plates and bowls and things are inspired of Radom, and I do have the same plates and the same bowls, and I'm gonna use it for Thanksgiving. It is so cute, and I'm just so excited. I was mentioning in one of my oldest videos, recent videos, I believe, that my son, I have an oldest son, he's 24 years old, and he was finishing college back in Puerto Rico, but then he got a job here in Massachusetts, an hour away from me. That is amazing. I'm so grateful to have this opportunity to have my son closer to me. And so for the past 5 years, we haven't spent Thanksgiving with him, and this year it is our first Thanksgiving together. He's gonna try my turkey for the first time, because before I didn't cook any turkeys back in Puerto Rico. I started cooking turkeys here when I moved to United States. So I'm so excited just to have him and share with him this day, as well with his girlfriend, because they are living together. And yeah, I was mentioning in one of my videos that my Christmas spirit, I believe, it started in September. So, and I believe it's because of that I'm gonna have my mom, my son, my daughter, my husband, and maybe my dad is gonna come and visit me for Christmas. So I'm very excited, and that is why my Christmas spirit is on such a high mode. But yeah, this is like I was mentioning, this is my memory planner, and I was making the last weeks with the boxes stagger. And this time I decided to do it the same way that I most of the time do, and it's the boxes in the middle. I like that way because I can put an important thing that happens at the top and some kind of memories or thoughts about the day at the bottom. I was I asked my dear Santa HP sprocket for this Christmas, so I will be putting some pictures starting 2020. I already have my Erin Condren for the 2020, and I'm gonna use the same. I'm gonna use the Erin Condren for the memory. I'm so excited. I don't think that I'm going to make a picture every day. I don't want to put that pressure on myself, like taking a picture every day, because my lifestyle, it is like working from Monday to Friday. I'm just showing you right now that I took my sweater off because I was getting hot. I have two big lamps, photography lamps, in front of me when I'm making the videos, and it was getting very hot, so I have to take my jacket. I was mentioning that I don't think I'm going to pull a photo every day of each week, but I'm so excited to put some pictures here and there in my spreads. So I'm very excited about that. I placed some script stickers that says no school on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday because my daughter doesn't have school. Some full boxes on Thursday and Friday because Thursday is Thanksgiving and Friday is Black Friday. The ballerina at the bottom on Thursday, it is to mark down that my daughter doesn't have ballet that day. I put a Hello December on Sunday, and I think I'm gonna put, yes, that box is just to mark down my husband's schedule. I've been starting to do that lately, so I did that, and I used the sidebar for a gratitude that happened that week, and the coffee, of course, on Monday, and a bill flag on the 25th because it's my car's bill due, and on the 27th, that's my ink trash that we take out every Tuesday, and some groceries because I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna be doing some groceries during the week to get ready for Thanksgiving dinner. I'm so excited. What do you do during Thanksgiving? Do you have some traditions? I will be talking about the traditions in another video. And that's all, cuties. I'm almost done with my spread. So if you would like to see what are my traditions during Thanksgiving and Christmas, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can receive notifications every time that I upload a video. That's all for my spread, cuties. Thank you so much for watching, for all the love and support, for being one more time with me in this channel. I love this experience. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye.